Hello again, guys! Today is about testing this SILVERCREST kitchen tool juicer. First of all, let's see the ingredients. I have a tomato, I have an orange, bananas, and from the other side I have an apple and an onions. And I'll start for the onions, it's more hard ingredients. First of all, we're taking this out, putting those inside, onions. And from here we're going to see the speed is 1, 2. I'll put it in 1. Now definitely in 2. And we have juice. And from here are the bad ingredients, the waste. The juice is coming out, yes, lovely. Better in 2. And that was all, it stops. Ooh, my eyes is burning a little bit. Well, let's clean it, and the next ingredients will be the apples. And after this onion it burns my eyes, it's time to put carrots. No, not the apple, later. The carrots. See how he's doing. I'll put this glass, secure again this, and start again. Not too much juice from the carrot because the carrot was too small, but you see what it's doing. And again cleaning. Oh, when I stop it, it was starting to come out more. Okay, a new glass, and now the turn of the tomatoes. Yeah, tomato juice. Very nice. Squeeze it. 1, 2. Ooh, lovely. Too much tomato juice, okay. Next, we're going to try the orange. New glass. Let's fill it with orange. Lovely orange. And let's start. That was all. Let's go now to the apple. New glass. Oh my god, someone must clean those bottle of glass. Yeah. Let's put the apple inside. Okay, nice. Put this and let's put it softly, and it will come out nice and easy. Healthy life, guys. Healthy life. Forget the McDonald's, forget everything. or get the fast food to help me life. And next, and last and not least, but the bananas. Let's see. And put inside the bananas. Secure again. On. Well, I don't see any juice from the bananas. Oops. What happened? Maybe the bananas were so soft and no juice was coming out. Disappointed. Well, we definitely have an onion, carrot, tomato, orange and apple. And let's taste it if it's nice, tasty. And first, I'll try the onion. Blech. Let's see. Disgusting for me. Blech. Next is the tomato. Something softer, but again, I don't think so. I will drink it that. Okay, the carrot. Tastes nice. The carrot is nice. Definitely I'll drink it. Of course, this doesn't have to do with the machine. It's the ingredients that's not so tasty. Next, we have the orange. Yum yum, orange. I think I will go with that and drink it all the way down. Well, next is the apple. Tasty, the apple, tasty. I will put some ice and I will drink it definitely. Well, the machine, guys, is very good. Thumbs up. I will give it 10 because it's doing a very great job. Value of money, it costs only 35 euros from Lidl. It feels it's very strong, the manufacturer. All the accessories inside feels very quality, very strong. Thumbs up. If you want to buy the juicer, buy it. This is the SILVERCREST from Lidl. If you want to mix all these ingredients, you can do it. Put your imagination, what you want to drink, and definitely you will find something tasty. Thank you guys for watching this video. Right in the corner is the unboxing of this video. Please share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. Thank you very much again. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.